This 2023 Braxton Creek Bushwhacker 10 HD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Taylor, Michigan, 48180 and is offered for sale by Vickers Trailer Sales. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Braxton Creek is 10 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, stovetop burner, smoke detector, and 24 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features couples coach, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Braxton Creek Bushwhacker 10 HD is 1,480 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Vickers Trailer Sales.